amazina abiri. Zina ke nangu ninda?
Yes. No, is only Kapembwa Kasami.
Kapembwa Kasanga. Kasamia. All right. So nenakufunza tuna boyfriend wangapi wakamba una almost
Yes.
So it happens that kuli boyfriend winangu amene oli naye we suzibayi we, you understand? Same mama indira ku hospital ndo pimisa HIV. It's the same get to be sure in life.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's how I ended up getting your number and I've called you because in the show young and matanza Batman kugwira mfuitini. So, yeah.
Okay, his name is Kapembwa.
His name is what?
Kapembwa.
Tapembwa.
Yes.
Kapembwa, Tapembwa.
Huh?
Kapembwa or Tapembwa?
Kapembwa.
And where does he stay?
He's in Lusaka.
Which part of Lusaka? Yambira kona chan place yakani.
Yeah, so kwa question at Lusaka chan.
Lusaka West.
Not Lusaka West.
Lusaka South.
Yeah, yes, Lusaka South. Yeah.
Oh, stays in Lusaka South.
Yes.
All right. Okay, can I just So we are cheating. I know it. In a deep down my heart nenaziva inekutu. Uyu guys nenaziva tu I'm cheating. Nifuna mvera reaction yake nine. That's what I'm chilling for. Much like where iri kunkusanga. Cause mambeka bwino akamboshusha. Ndine Kapembwa. Nyashi oh. Buresti oh, whether big or small. My guys is often kayalira phone. Chimusa. Just to zooming and nyashi. Hey, cameraman uzona very indisciplined. Yeah, cameraman uzo. Guys, why phone yake? Mwatazi wa siri na mwatazi watu amchitinga. Wanga mchitinga bema muna wasoma. First mu tide confirm gero timuuze ma details. Tifuna timbere pya zakamba. Yes, Faith. Faith.
Yes, I'm getting.
So you said your boyfriend is Kapembwa, right?
Yes, my boyfriend is Kapembwa.
How many boyfriends do you have?
Only one.
Only one. Are you lying to us or you are lying to yourself?
Only one. The rest
Okay. Cholwe. Boy, gero wako za cheating approach duanga phone.
Abani.
Zina yako ndo ndani we? Cholwe nda?
Cholwe Mtembwa.
Cholwe Mtembwa. Ungala kuti? Kubaolen. Gero wako akamba Kapembwa olo. Leka ni yadinge pakoti mbere. Wambera? Eh? Okay. So vomchita ngomchita so leka ntumire guy and then yadingepo gero because ngambirira guy azazi wati alipala ni boys. So atitimbele mama transaction. Inenza dinga. Wakambare kani ka dinga ka gero mumbere mwaigwe. Connect.
Hello.
Faith.
Yes.
This is the last time I'm calling you now. Now we're ending the call, yeah? So you said
Me have told you that my boyfriend is Kapembwa.
Kapembwa?
So who called you to say he's my boyfriend?
I'm saying his name is Kapembwa. Do you know his last name? Zina ke nangu ninda?
Yes. No, he's only Kapembwa Kasami.
Kapembwa Kasanga. Kasamia. All right. So nenakufunza tuna boyfriend wangapi wakamba una almost
Yes.
So it happens that kuli boyfriend winangu amene oli naye we suzibayi we bateva kuziba. So nifuna nimpase chance akambe ukamisane naye wambera. Wambera bwino. Okay, so don't be happy yet until I come back. But boss, you can speak. Mgeuza mwambela zina tomola kamba nikapembwa chancha zina sinizi bakulasa. Ndimo wakapembwa imwe. Zinanu ndimo wanda?
I'm sure.
So muze nve mfuno kamba bili kumtima.
Ndimo kamba wala.
Ine bagamba mambo anpasa platform ya so muntu anchitinga ningamuze voipa nguza nje vakalenzi. Munampa sapo na ndrama wewe mkazi. Kansi ngati munampasa ko iliyonse no pressure mulibe ma right. Batezo kuchitingani mwambera.
Akanamvera.
So mai kudbebe mungafuna muzako.
Magribe bebe ngamoze.
Kulibe mulise bwino ya 0 so cheba kuinani. Muli panchito nga mwatukwana mai muli panchito. Vamagere Face. Wakati ile kagere nimelubula mapa. Motorika. Ima shamu rubanisa tayi.